Hello everyone and welcome back to another video series of website planning and creation. In this video we would be learning how to create partitions in a page. In order to go to the page, the first thing that we need to do is we need to click on this page option which is appearing on the left hand side as you can see, and we need to click on this add new option. When I've clicked on this add new option, a new page would be appearing in front of me. The first option that we can see on the top is the name of the page, that is also called as the title of the page. As in the previous videos you have seen, there are various titles that we can make on a website. Similarly, we have to give the name to a page from here. Suppose the name of the page is home page. So we need to write the name of the page here. Now the theme that we are using in order to create the website is Divi. And with the help of Divi, I will be getting an additional option which is this Divi builder on the web pages of ours. So in order to activate the Divi builder, we need to click on this Divi builder and the interface would be changing in front of me. Now in order to create the partitions, we simply need to click on this insert column. Now partition in the website plays a very important role. Suppose in my website, if I need to make two sections from where I can show two different elements or some specific kind of designs, with this partition section we can very easily do it. Suppose I want two sections, I'll create 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 from here. When I've selected two sections, you can see I'm having two modules which is in front of me. Now in each module I can select and put different modules. For example, if I need to have a text out here and if I want to put an image in the second module, so I need to go to the first module, and among the modules and among all the data which is coming in front of me, I need to select whatever I wanted to show to them. Suppose I wanted to show a text appearing, so I need to search for the text. As you can see out here, I am having a text option. So I simply need to select the text and the text module would be selected. Now once the text module is selected, I am having an interface something like this where I can write the required text which I want. Suppose I am just writing a sample text out here. Right? I want this text to appear. Now I want this text to be centrally aligned, so I just simply need to select the text and make it centrally aligned. I want the selected text to be bold, so as you can see an option I am having a bold. I can make it more bold, or I need to increase the font size and everything from here. So in order to do that, I can see there is an option of paragraph written out here, so we need to just drop down and select H1. This also stands for heading 1. As you can see, the text has increased in its size. Now if suppose you want to change the color of the text again, so you can simply select the entire text, and as you can see out here there is a text color option, and you can select whichever color you want to make the text from the available options. Suppose I want this text to be of blue color, so I've simply selected blue and my text is appearing in blue. Suppose if I need to further modify it, for that I'm having on the top there is an option of design. I can go to the design and I'm having more options in order to make my text customized. The first is the text font. Suppose I want to increase the font, I can simply click here, and from the available fonts I can select any font from here. For example, I am selecting from here Arial and I want the font size to be more bigger and bold, so I can select from regular to bold, ultra bold or heavy. Suppose I want ultra bold. It may happen that you are not sure how the text of yours is looking as of the customization that you have made. So in order to look at the customization how and what it's looking, you can simply click on this eye icon which is just in the middle of the page. So if I've clicked on here, it will give me a preview of the page. So you can see the text is looking like this. As the space which is appearing out here is small, so the text is appearing in two lines. But when you would be looking on the laptop, it would be on two different lines. Sorry, it would be on the same line, not the two different lines. Let's continue the editing part. So in order to close this preview, I need to simply click on this cross icon which is appearing at the bottom. And I can further go with the modifications. Suppose I need to increase the text size of mine. I can increase from here or even decrease from here. The same is with the letter spacing. Letter spacing simply identifies and indicates the space between each letter. Or if I need to make the text height bigger, I can select the text height option. In case if you are interested to make a shadow in your text, you can select the shadow options from the available options. Suppose I want the text to look like this. And I need to see the preview. I'll again click on this eye icon. And the preview would be coming in front of me. You can see the text or the appearance is little different from how it was appearing earlier. Now let's go back to the editing part. If you want to change the shadow color, you can change it from here. Suppose I want to make the shadow color as yellowish so that it is clearly distinct. So I have just made it more prominent, and let's see the preview. Sometimes the text preview may not come in this preview options. If this is happening, as you can see, it is happening in my case. So in order to actually see how it is looking like, you just simply need to click on this save and exit button. And you need to click on this preview icon which is now appearing on the right hand side of your screen. So let's click this preview. And now the text is appearing out here. In order to continue the editing part, we need to go back from here, the previous text. And as I can see, it is one half selected out here. So another half is still having the space to be entered something. So now I need to enter, suppose, an image out here. So I just simply need to click on this insert module, and I will select for the image option from the given available stuffs. As you can see, the image is out here. So I just need to simply select the image option. There are two ways that I can insert the images. Either I can upload the images from your local drive, or even you can upload the images with the help of URL. Suppose I want to use the images which are already present in my existing domain. So I have selected this image as I want to use it. I have selected and clicked on set as default image, and I'll click on save and exit. So till now we have selected two columns, and each column I have inserted two different text. First is text and second is image. Now let's have a preview. Earlier it was appearing something like this. Now it is appearing something like this. Suppose I want to increase the area of this. For that I need to again go back, and in this green bar of mine, I just need to simply click on these three horizontal line, which is the setting, and need to go to the design, and this thing is called as use custom gutter width, and increase the width of the section, and increase the width of the section. Now suppose we just saved and exit. And now let's preview. Earlier it was appearing like this. Now moment we have increased the space, the projection is little better, but still the actual projection what it should have appeared is not appearing. So in order to make this exact page appear the way it should have appeared, I need to again go back and publish this page. Once I've published this page, now I'm having a specific URL. So I'll just simply right click on it and open it in new tab so that I can see the actual output of the website. Now you can see it is appearing in much bigger font in compared to earlier how it was appearing. Earlier the display that we were having was something like this. Now if you see, the display has changed to like this. So this is the display, and this is how we can use the custom section module in the Divi. Continue to watching this entire session of this Divi builder. In next video of ours, we'll be learning how to customize this section with a background image or color that I want to have it, and furthermore definitions and usage of the Divi builder. Thank you.